Hey guys, welcome to the Mississippi College application. First thing you want to do is type in your search bar mc.edu/apply and it'll bring you to this page. So apply to MC. Let's go ahead and first thing click get started. What semester are you applying for? We're going to apply for fall of 2021. So that's if you're a rising senior in high school and you're looking at coming to MC next fall. Go ahead and click this. And here we are. We come to our application management portal. So if you've already started your app, you can click log in and just log in with the account you created. Or since you're a first time user like me, we're going to just click create an account. First things first, email address. So I'm going to type my email address. I'm going to type my first name. I'm going to type my last name. And then I'm going to type my birthday. Select that. And there. Now once you hit continue, you'll get a PIN number that'll come straight to your email account. So make sure you either have your phone ready with your email or you have it in another tab and you can pull it up. And then I'm going to enter my PIN number. And then I'm going to re-enter my birthday just so they know it's me. And then if you would like, you could also log in with a Google account or a Facebook account if that's easier for you. Now I'm going to hit log in. All right, now it's time to set our password. So first things first, pick a password, and you have all the requirements over here. At least one capital letter, at least one letter, at least one number, be at least 12 characters, and new passwords must match. So I'm going to make my password something very easy so I can remember it. Change one so they match because I forgot to do that. And then set password. All right, and now that we are in, we have access to the application and we have an account made in our student portal. So we're gonna hit start new application and we are going to create our application. So let's select our application type. We're gonna go undergraduate application and create. Where now it's gonna pop up with this screen and ask you to open the app. So we're gonna open the application and here we go. So prefix, and I'm gonna put this in here just for our purposes. And you fill that out, and then your preferred name is what you'd like to be called. So I like to be called Hayden because that's my name, so I'm gonna put that in there. You put your street address in there. And once that is in there, there we go. State. And then put your postal code. Email is already in there. You can change it if something's incorrect. Include a phone number. And then you can put your mobile number in here if you like, and then ask and let us know if we can text you or not. And then biographical information. I am a male. There's my birthday. Primary citizenship is United States. And you can put your social security number in here. And then you fill out the rest of this. Hit click continue. And it'll load the next page. So then we talk about student type. Now this is basically asking, what are you gonna be? Are you gonna be a freshman when you come in? Are you transferring in? Are you looking for a second undergrad? Or are you not even looking for a degree? You will almost always be looking for a degree, so you wanna stay with these top three. For fall 2021, if I'm a rising senior, I'm gonna be coming in as a freshman. So I'm gonna click freshman. Then it comes up with a little description of what it is. What type of classes am I wanting to take? Traditional on-campus courses. This is just your regular classes. So what is your intended major? Let's be a marketing major. I would like to begin in fall of 2021. My plans for housing is to live on campus, and I can continue. And in this page, you can enter a test score. So I'm gonna add a test and say I took the ACT on the date that the ACT was, and then I will put in my scores. And since I'm just having some wishful thinking, I'm gonna say I got a 36 on everything. You will have to verify this with ACT in order to get credit for it, but for the purpose of a test application, this will be great. All right, so now that we have our test in there, I'm gonna hit continue. Then we add academic history. So it's basically high schools. So if I put in my high school, it's gonna pull up high schools just like that. You can click it and it'll auto-populate everything else. And you pick about when you started. So you start in August of 2010, all the way until May of 14. And it was a high school. There you go, click save. Continue. And then you have other scholarship information. So marital status, we're gonna put single. Are you the first person in your immediate family to attend college? No. Do you have a sibling that's attended MC? No. Have you ever been convicted, pled guilty to misdemeanor? No, and no. Select your religious preference. This is not required, but it can factor into certain scholarships that are available. So let's just put this. Let's put this. And then all these extracurricular activities are really just kind of keywords to let us know what you're interested in, and we can talk to you about scholarships in those fields. So check whatever you feel like you should. I've not served in the military. And you can fill out the rest of these and click continue. And if you want to include information about your parents, your guardian, spouse, siblings, you can put them in here just so it's a part of your application. We use that to establish emergency contacts, determine legacy scholarships and stuff like that, and then get information to your parents about stuff going on campus. So I'm just going to leave it blank. I'm going to hit continue. And here we go. We have an application agreement. So this is basically you're just signing to say, hey, all the information I've given you is true. And y'all can submit this for application. So I'm going to sign it by typing my name, confirm, and review it. They've asked that I please provide a full middle name if applicable. That is not required. It is preferred, but not required. So I'm just going to go ahead and submit the application. And there we go. It'll ask us, it'll verify your address, make sure everything is good to go. And if you choose to upload materials, you can upload your immunization record right here. Whenever you log in, you'll actually be able to pull up your application status and be able to see exactly where you are in the application process. So thank you all for watching, and I hope this was easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 601-925-3800, and your admissions counselor would be happy to walk you through the application or help you out with anything you may have trouble with. Thanks so much.